Hi, as you can see today it's not going to be a picking video. Recently I have reached 2000 subscribers, so this is going to be a appreciation video. So all of you guys, thank you so much for all the support, for all the help, for all the informations, for all the interactions on YouTube, Etsy, Discord, Reddit, everywhere, messages. So thank you so much for all the support and all the help. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I want to do as usual a giveaway, and this time is going to be two winners. I know that all of you, some of you are puzzle lovers, some of you are lock lovers, some of you are both. So to honor all of you and all the all of you who likes puzzles and locks are in my head a bit some kind of a puzzle. I will do two hopefully interesting for you giveaways. One is going to be the latest training lockbox that I made. I will put link somewhere up to see the video with all the explanation how everything works. And this is the Titan version, pin tumbler lock with a Titan padlock, and I do have two padlocks. This is the brass one, and I do have the nickel plated one. So the winner choose with or without with or without cutaway on both of them. And the second is going to be it's not a Titan treasure puzzle lock, but this time it's Mando treasure puzzle lock. The puzzle lock, sorry for that. The functionality is the same, but this is a different design because it's a nickel plated. I immediately remind me to Mandalorian, so I just needed to make this one, and I even included a Baby Yoda Grogu. The story is a bit different, and yeah, but the functionalities of the puzzle is the same, so this is the way. So that's something new, or something like a skin of a Titan treasure puzzle lock. I do have the original one, so I do wanted to show you this one. In this showcase, I have the first one that I have made. It's a different pin and different like in the design, and on the other side I had the puzzle number 150, and this has a very interesting journey how it went from me to the, I think I made it for Mr. Puzzle. He asked me to create one for lockpicking lore. He sent it to lockpicking lore. Did a video, and he solved it, of course. He's lockpicking lore, and then somehow ended up Bosnian Bill, and then after that to another fellow puzzler, lockpicker, and then I know that it was broken, it was not working, and then he reached and sent it to me, and then I replaced this one, and I fixed 150 and I put it in. So it's a bitten one, and the paper on the back it's torn, and it's like, but I like it like that. It's fantastic to have it back in my collection. So as I mentioned, Mando's treasure puzzle lock is the same functionality as Titan treasure puzzle lock, but it's like another skin with come on, focus, with a Baby Yoda. I have a different one, so it's like I really like how it looks. So yeah, the things that you should do is just like the video. You need to be a subscriber. It's a subscriber appreciation giveaway, and I just wanted to put something in the comments. So just add. I would really like to know if you're a puzzle lover, which puzzle was your trigger point. For me, it's I have it here. It's a dance lock. Sorry, this puzzle was fantastic. When I saw it first time, it was very nice. Please check this puzzle. It's a fantastic, very tricky solution. I really adore this one, to be honest, and it's a very cool puzzle. Check his channel. You can get it still. He's making. So it's Dan Feldman, who is the designer and maker. And yeah, just if you're a puzzle lover, yeah, just if I'm on need to write a comment, I will put Dan's lock, and that's going to be it for that part. And if you're a lock lover, then you just put which lock was the one that you really like, and it was like your like trigger point. Maybe for me it was Ruko lock, and it's not this one. I had the other one that I picked, one of the first videos, maybe first 10 videos, with the Ruko core with sleeve, and that's a very tricky one. And this one I have it, this one was sent to me by Lockmania, so a fantastic fellow picker. So Lockmania, thank you for this one. It's very nice. I think I picked even this one on camera. So yeah, just put in the comment, or if you like both, if you're both lock picker and puzzle lover, just put both of them, like put puzzle and put lock in the comments. I'm really curious what is yours, what are yours favorite puzzles and locks. And that's more or less it. I really love doing this kind of giveaways. I really like doing this kind of puzzle box, puzzle locks, puzzle training box locks. Oh, my mind went, like, I'm so freaking excited. So just put comment, so I can try to when I'm doing the giveaway, I need to do that random comment picker chooser. So one of you will choose puzzle, the puzzle. Some of you will choose the training box kit. So it's up to you. As usual, like the video. You should be a subscriber. This is a subscriber appreciation giveaway. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. Again, thank you all for everything. I really enjoy these two communities. I am part of the puzzle community and the lockpicking community. All of you guys are awesome. It's a fantastic communities to be part of it, of both of them. So yeah, I need to finish this one. Thanks again. Thank you for everything. Stay safe. Have a nice day. Have a nice speaking, and bye bye.